Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to forward email in Zoho Mail. Alright, so let's begin with the video. First, log into your Zoho Mail account. Open your preferred browser and head over to mail.zoho.com. Once logged in, you'll land right in your inbox where all your emails are neatly organized and ready to manage. Now, locate the specific email you want to forward and click to open it. Once inside, you'll notice several options like Reply, Reply All, and Archive. You may also see a forward icon at the top right corner of the email window, so click whichever is most convenient. After clicking Forward, a new Compose window will pop up. Here's where you can make adjustments before sending it on. First, carefully enter the recipient's email address in the To field. Forwarding isn't just about passing along the message. You can also add your own note for context. Once everything looks good, recipient's address, original message, and any notes you've added, it's time to send it off. Look for the Send button, which may appear at the top or bottom of the Compose window, depending on your view settings. Click it, and your email is forwarded instantly. And that's it. So that is how you can forward email in Zoho Mail. So that's all for this video. Thanks.